Erabano ka police Michael Ongoli nyesda balebe ikokolakalu kesda port kesi oyara totomanam opotoloi la port kesi tegia sotomano sabite diopete bon.
I want also to inform you that 9 cattle rustlers were put out of action in different ambushes against cattle rustlers in different areas in Ikaramoja.
Ida parani Canada esabiti ajore nyesda boy yara ikokolaka yaroto manojela jai kidingi silikari kai ikokolaka luda Dr. Imudun. Ikokolaka lukesda potiriam noskeda ajoroto mano kitwi neda jasi silikari utasai tolot aswa miso kechenuda ajore.
Our forces, while they are doing their daily routines, entered into an ambush. Because by that time we are trying to deploy our UAV antennas, and they entered into an ambush in the areas of Potilo. Well, good. 2 warriors were shot dead and 1 rifle recovered. In the course of the week, in different places, the Moroto, Potilo, Kabong, so far within the region, we have recovered 15 guns and around 54 ammunitions. Is whoever mess up with our troops, we as security forces are not going to escape. We are going to work on those guns and we are going to finish the gun. And we want to assure the people within the region that we as security forces within the region, we are ready to work on any criminal.
Afande Longole nyezdo bui ataki inteda abunebe ebet kesi bo Ademun I polisi ni chelu da ipote ngaraki na idolot aina peta nuda opotolo ikalu.
This week we shall receive additional number of police personnel who have been deployed to Ikaramoja by the Inspector General of Police to increase on our manpower in Ikaramoja.
Eja ngunda lwayuara kesi de manata itunga luda ibwa itos ikokolako bakas da bonebe buneki sil aikamakini ka case.
Kimuke kile, there is a word used by the Ikaramojong. Kimuke kile, a Ikaramojong word translated in English as cover the man or don't reveal the man's identity. It's an offense. You will be charged with abetting, conspiracy, and you will have the same sentence like a person who has been arrested with a gun itself.
Ide namba loda ikokolaka luwe kamun anyone da bwangno rako kwa neotomano Ikaramoja nyesida dola kwataka nyikeda kaisa unaluongon ido otomana lu akwata unikeda kaisa kany nyesida tubo kina wenyo otomana dieketengini na ada jore. Godfred Eyoku, TV East, Ikaramoja.